Clearfield has won a Gold Cabling Innovators Award presented by Cabling Installation and Maintenance magazine for its breakthrough 3D interactive field guides powered by BILT. The award recognizes innovations that deliver exceptional value, usability, and impact across the cabling and ICT industries. By replacing static manuals and PDFs with dynamic mobile training, the BILT 3D guides help get deployment crews up to speed faster, reduce installation errors, and increase efficiency in real-world field conditions. BILT creates 3D intelligent instructions and delivers interactive content via mobile app. The award-winning platform revolutionizes professional training and operational enablement. BILT is accessible, sustainable, and efficient. Go to builtapp.com for details.